Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. That's Girl Plummy and I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to fry some chicken back. We I say the nicest part of the meat. I'm going to fry this chicken back in the right aisle in the chicken fat oil. Don't go anywhere and let me show you how I get this done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so very much. Hey everybody, we're going to make some brown stewed chicken back today. And we are going to fry with chicken back fat to make some oil. So now we're going to get to season up with chicken back. So this is what I have. All my season is right in this bowl. And I'm just going to mix it right up and get that flavor blend throughout this. And I'm going to just dump it all, right over my chicken back. See there? All of it. And I am going in with my all my cut up season today. I don't have the blending one for now, so I'm just going in with this. Okay, got onion, carrot. You can go ahead and use the Irish if you want. I would also give this a quick rub up right now. Remember, when I need a panic, we're gonna fry them down nicely. Chicken back, Jamaican style. Yes, my people. This we are, and this I go fry now in the right aisle. This a fry in the aisle will come off of the chicken back. That's how we do it when we're at Jamaica. You're not in the aisle, no worries. If I don't have the aisle, don't worry about it, baby. Fry up your chicken back. Now look at that. This is how my chicken back is looking, y'all. Okay, and it's ready for the oil. Now there you have it, y'all. Like I said, if you don't have the oil, don't worry about it, because we are fry chicken fat and we are creating our own oil, at the right oil this. So look at this, y'all. Just look at this. All right, so we do it in Jamaica. If you don't have the oil, don't worry about it. See there, gentle people, chicken back will fry up. Yes, my people, see there, chicken back, brown stew chicken back, Jamaican style. I fry up in chicken fat oil. Okay, yes everyone, this is it. Here we go. The chicken back is flipped on the other side, nice and brown. Okay, now we're gonna allow the other side to fry nicely, just the same. All right, one good fry down, not too burn up, but yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna add no oil to it still. It's just the same oil that I use, the chicken fat oil. All right, now that I'm finished with the chicken back frying, I add everything back into the pot. I only reduce the oil, and then I add all my seasonings on top. Put you some ketchup, get you some water, and then let it simmers down. Okay, allow this to simmer down. Look at that. This is how your chicken back's supposed to be looking. All right, yes, and you can use any season of your choice. Okay, all right everybody, this is it. This is my brown stew chicken back, well cooked down and simmered down nicely. Now don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and thank you so very much for watching. Bye.